Have you ever dreamed of a place where every corner holds a new surprise? A land where ancient stories whisper on the breeze and the sun seems to shine a little brighter? That place is Italy. It captures your heart the moment you arrive. Imagine wandering streets thousands of years old. Picture gazing at art that inspired the world. This isn't just a holiday, it's a real-life adventure. Italy is more than a destination. It's a feeling that stays with you forever. What makes Italy so special? It's a mix of everything wonderful. Towering mountains where you can ski, sparkling coastlines with water like a painting, cities that are living museums, not just scenery. It's the people, warm and passionate. Culture, art, music, fashion. Italy invites you to slow down and savor the moment, a feast for all your senses. First up is Rome, the eternal city. It's like stepping into the greatest history book ever written. You can stand in the middle of the Colosseum and imagine gladiators from long ago. It's absolutely massive and will take your breath away. Just a short walk away is the Roman Forum, where you can see the ruins of ancient government buildings. Don't forget to visit Vatican City to see the stunning St. Peter's Basilica and the Sistine Chapel. A top tip is to toss a coin into the Trevi Fountain. The legend says it means you will return to Rome one day. I certainly hope it's true. Next, let's float away to Venice. This city is truly one of a kind. There are no roads, just canals. The main streets are shimmering waterways, and the cars are gondolas and water taxis. Getting lost in the maze of narrow streets and crossing little bridges is all part of the magic. The main square, Piazza San Marco, is incredible. It's home to a beautiful basilica and is always buzzing with energy. For a truly unforgettable experience, take a gondola ride through the quiet back canals. You will feel like you are in a fairy tale. It's a peaceful and romantic way to see the city's hidden charms. Now, let's head to Florence, the heart of the Renaissance. This city is an art lover's dream. It's packed with some of the most famous art in the world. You must visit the Uffizi Gallery to see masterpieces by artists like Botticelli and Leonardo da Vinci. Then, look up at the incredible Duomo, the city's giant cathedral with its amazing dome. You can even climb to the top for a fantastic view of the whole city. Don't forget to walk across the Ponte Vecchio, a medieval bridge lined with little jewelry shops. It's like a bridge from a storybook. Finally, we travel south to the stunning Amalfi Coast. This is a stretch of coastline that looks like it was plucked from a dream. Colorful villages like Positano and Amalfi cling to the cliffs that dive into the sparkling blue sea. The scenery is dramatic and absolutely beautiful. You can't talk about Italy without talking about the food. It's one of the best parts of any trip here. First on the list is pasta, of course, but forget what you know from home. In Italy, there are hundreds of different shapes and sauces. Each region has its own special dish. In Rome, you must try carbonara, made with eggs, cheese, and cured pork. It's so creamy and delicious. In Bologna, you'll find the real Bolognese sauce, much richer than what you find elsewhere. Always look for restaurants that say pasta fresca, which means the pasta is freshly made by hand. Next up is the world's favorite food, pizza. But having pizza in its birthplace, Naples, is a whole other experience. The classic pizza margherita is simple but perfect, made with tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, fresh basil, and a drizzle of olive oil. The colors represent the Italian flag. The crust is chewy and slightly charred from the super hot wood-fired oven. It's a taste you will never forget. Don't be afraid to eat it with your hands, folding each slice. That's how the locals do it. Getting around Italy is an adventure in itself. It's easier than you might think. The train system is fantastic for traveling between major cities. High-speed trains, like the Frecciarossa, they can whisk you from Rome to Florence in just over an hour and a half. It's fast, comfortable, and offers beautiful views of the countryside along the way. For shorter distances, or exploring a specific region like Tuscany, regional trains are a great affordable option. Remember to validate your ticket in the small machines on the platform before you board, or you might get a fine. When it comes to speaking the language, a little effort goes a long way. While many people in tourist areas speak English, learning a few basic Italian phrases will make your trip so much more rewarding. Buongiorno, that means good morning. Grazie, which is thank you, per favore, or please. Don't be shy about trying to speak. Italians appreciate the effort and will often be very happy to help you. Finding a place to stay in Italy offers a wide range of options to suit every budget. Of course, there are hotels. For a more local experience, consider staying in a B&B, bed and breakfast, or even an agriturismo, which is a farm stay in the countryside. One of the most enjoyable Italian traditions to embrace is the passeggiata. This is the lovely custom of taking a slow, leisurely stroll in the early evening, usually before dinner. You'll see people of all ages out and about, dressed nicely, chatting with friends, and simply enjoying the atmosphere of their town or city. Another cultural habit to know about is the Italian coffee culture. It's a very important ritual. Italians usually drink their coffee standing up at the bar or al banco. It's quick, social, and much cheaper than sitting at a table. In the morning, a cappuccino is the drink of choice, but Italians generally don't order it after about 11. For the rest of the day, a strong short shot of espresso is the way to go. You will also notice that mealtimes in Italy are different. Pranzo, or lunch, is often a more substantial meal, enjoyed around 1 or 2 in the afternoon. A final practical tip is about managing your money and staying safe. For young travelers looking for fun and adventure, Italy is a giant playground. If you love the outdoors, there are so many incredible activities to try. You could hike the spectacular trails of the Cinque Terre, which connect 5 colorful villages on the coast. Or, for a real thrill, you could climb a volcano like Mount Etna in Sicily. In the summer, the many lakes like Lake Garda are perfect for water sports like windsurfing, kayaking. And don't forget the mountains. The Dolomites offer some of the most stunning hiking and rock climbing in Europe. What are you waiting for? Italy is calling your name. Go on, be brave, and book that ticket.